Hello, writers. It's Mother Goose here to help me write some scary sentences today. So, all of you just listened to Harry and the Terrible What's It, didn't you? Excellent. You know what? There we go. So, in Terry and the Terrible What's It, what did the author do to make it a scary story? How did she do that? Not she, I'm sorry. How did he do that? Yeah, he used some scary words, and he made us think there was something really terrible in the cellar, and he made us worry about the mother. That's right. So let's start by thinking, who remembers some of the scary words that the author used? I want to make a list to help us out. And in your slideshow on the next page, there's a list there for you too. What are some scary words? Oh, yes. Dark, ark. What else? It was a monster. Cellar, yeah, the cellar sometimes is a scary place, or basement. Cellar is another word for basement. Stormy, a lot of times stormy nights, good. Oh, I think I heard someone say spider. And for now, let's just get one more. Creaky, that's a good word, a good sound word. Creaky. Great job. Okay, now here's what we're going to do, and this is what you'll be doing in your notebook today. We are going to write scary sentences. So you'll find the next page in your notebook on your paper, and you'll write scary sentences. And then we're going to use some of the words to help us write something scary. Watch me. And remember, when we do a sentence, it starts with an uppercase and ends with a period or an exclamation point. And it needs to have a subject and a predicate. So we need to have something we're talking about or someone and what they do. So let me think here. Maybe I could write a sentence about a spider on a dark day. Maybe I'll say the lights went out and I felt a spider crawl on my leg. Ooh, that would be scary. So I'll start with my uppercase. The, good space between my words. Lights went out and I felt a spider crawl on my leg. Would that be scary? I think so. I'm going to put an exclamation point. The lights went out and I felt a spider crawl on my leg. Let's try another one. This one had a feeling. Maybe a sound. What would be something creaky? Ah, the stairs. Okay, what about this sentence? The stairs, that's our subject. The stairs creaked in, where would the stairs creak? The stairs creaked in the castle. Okay, there could be a spooky castle story. The stairs creaked in the castle. And I'll put my period at the end. We have our subject and our predicate, our action. So your scary sentences can be about anything. Use the word list on the document, on the PowerPoint that you have assigned, and come up with anything creepy. Try to include details that might talk about feelings and sounds. Okay, good luck with your sentences. We'll use these tomorrow to turn them into a whole story.